Damn, guys, I'm gonna be honest. I think we're cooked. Yo, it's December 30, almost the 31st, almost January, and it's 53 degrees outside. Earlier, guys, I was outside in a whole t-shirt, but hold on. I gotta stop talking and admire this beauty. Sheesh. Yo, it's good, Kenpachi. How are you? If you guys are keeping up with the anime of Bleach, yo, Kenpachi is about to go off. There's no spoilers, but this guy right here, this man's about to turn shit up. But anyways, guys, coast start for the win. Well, it's kind of a coast start. I had to pull the car out earlier, but coast start. Pop. Okay. Okay, I take that. Anyways, guys, what's happening today is we're actually going to be pulling up to the gym, pulling up with some muscle in a V8, you know. Now, it's not going to be a whole full gym video, like a workout video. It'll be more of a vlog day, more of a chill, laid back vlog, and yeah. Also, guys, I don't know if any of you guys have a Red Tiger camera, but if you guys do, I need help because this only films when the car isn't really moving, which obviously is not really helpful. I need it to film 24/7. So how do I set this to film 24/7? Yo, I got some cold ass tires still. I'm gonna have a small bag.
Do you have the book bag?
Uh-huh.
I should probably take
that, I gotta be careful because I know this man potholes and shit. Because it's the wind. Yo, what the hell? This BMW just skipped me. I'm just playing. I mean, I'm not playing, but yeah, I mean, I don't care. Yo, guys, I could already tell this Beamer in front of me, yo, he's gonna try to get jiggy with it. But I'm on cold tires, my sir. You know, I don't know if you got X-Drive.
She wanna go where her friend go. She wanna fuck, but I'm busting like turn up some music and slow down the tempo.
Cora. Yo, how do you end up all the way over there? Yo, what the? You're in safe hands. Nah, I love this car too much to crash it, you feel me? Huh?
How do you know when your tires are?
I hook. As in like, every time I floor it, I don't spin. Yeah.
Wait, what spins?
It's the tires.
You mean the wheels or the tires?
Well, technically, the tires are on the wheels, so, all of them. I'd say the scariest part about driving a lowered RCF is driving a lowered RCF in New York. Because they don't take care of these roads. I tell ya, I feel like if I was in Cali and this low, I wouldn't have any issues. You know, I wouldn't have gone through 2 suspensions and maybe 3 different fucking wheels. But yeah, It's New York. Wait, what's up? Right down here, right? Here?
I think so. I've never gone this way.
It's right here. That was real dangerous, sir. Wow, all that to change lanes? Did you see this shit? Yo, this man just got directly in front of me. All to change lanes, bro. Alright guys, we have entered the garage. And all right, guys, after about 30 minutes of circling around, we finally found a parking spot right next to the gym, right? So this is the gym. This is LA Fitness, if you guys don't know. These are the windows, and I parked right next to the window. I kind of had to wait, right? But now when I'm working out, we could just see the RCF right outside the window. It's pretty cool. It's pretty neat. I like it. I think that's one of my favorite things about this gym. All right, guys, we just pulled up to the gym. And we got Kayla hitting the shoulder press. I already hit a set. I started off with 2 plates. I typically do 1, but yeah. Also, guys, I'm not recording everything also. This is just like, you know, a little feature because this ain't a workout channel. But yeah, up, down, up, down, up, down. There we go. Step away from the car. I mean, from the gym. And show you guys why I parked the RCF right here. This is exactly why. Because I could see the car from the gym and other cars also. Tesla? Yeah. So the gym was kind of short. Actually, it wasn't short-lived, but kind of. It was short-lived because guess what? Guess who smashed their finger with, I think 200 pounds. Yeah, me. I smashed it. It's turning purple. But yeah, guys, so after that, I was like, yeah, it's time to fucking clock out at this point. But Cad was kind enough to get me some ice cup.
So put it on your finger.
So I gotta put the shit on ice now, because, yeah. But anyways, guys, you know, at least we have an RCF, right?